Today's question, why does our eyesight get worse by using PCs or smartphones? Of course, it connects to the blue lights, but do you know why? There's actually three reasons for it. For example, I have glasses as well, and I remember my mother would always say, "Don't sit so close to the screen, the TV screen. Don't sit so close to the TV screen. You're going to hurt your eyes." And I've had them. I've had glasses since I was 9 years old, so maybe she was correct. Actually, she was correct because it's one of the three reasons. So did you write your ideas in the comments? Of course, again, the question is, why does our eyesight get worse by using PCs or smartphones? This question is by Sol, my TCUE university student, second grade. He's a sophomore. His plan in the future is to be a social studies teacher. So I wish him luck being a social studies, maybe high school teacher in the future. So, of course, there's three reasons. One is called digital eye strain. There's actually a word for this called CVS. There's a syndrome, CVS, computer vision syndrome. So computer vision syndrome, which the symptoms are as follows: strained eyes, dry eyes, blurry vision, of course, headaches, which I get a lot of headaches, especially when I use a smartphone, and especially at close distance. I get a lot of headaches and sometimes blurry eyes. Like sometimes after I use it for a long time, like hours, and I look somewhere else, whoa, my eyes are blurry. And double vision, where you see things in double. Uh, I'll talk about ways to fix that later at the end of the video. So please stay tuned. Second is, of course, blue light. Blue light exposure, of course. Blue light comes in at a shorter wavelength, so not a big wavelength, shorter wavelength and higher energy, which means when it hits our eyes, it scatters. So it's like instead of a bullet, it's like a shotgun. It scatters into our eyes. That scattering creates higher energy in our eyes, and it's what's called visual noise. So because it scatters and it gives us more noise, so our brains don't know what to do with it. It's too much information because it's scattering. It's not like one point. And the third thing is, of course, the physical demands. This is what I hinted at earlier when my mom said, "Don't sit so close to the TV." So when you use the computer like I'm using now, or use this phone very near yourself, that is a fixed exposure for a long time, and it's close distance, of course. So that's important. It's close distance already. The blue light's not great for you, but then it's such a close distance, and it's extended exposure. So I heard that they're expecting, like, due to blue light, maybe by 2050 there could be like 80 to 90% of kids in Japan might all have glasses because of that, because of that distance. So how to fix it is what's called the rule 20-20-20 rule. So 20-20-20. So if you're using PCs or laptops because you're so close and you're using them for a long time, every 20 minutes, uh, step away for at least 20 seconds and look at a distance greater than 20 feet. So again, 20-20-20. Every 20 minutes, rest your eyes for 20 seconds and look at distances at least 20 feet away. Look at longer distances. That's why children don't go out as play as much uh, because they don't go out to see long distances as much. That's why they might have a lot more people might have glasses in the future. So again, 20-20-20 rule. So again, if in meters, that would be about 7 meters, right? Yeah, six meters. So again, 20 minutes, 20 seconds, 20 feet, or 6 meters, at least that distance away. So you can practice, you can give your eyes practice seeing things far away because you have to practice far away and also near to help with that. Again, there's three main reasons. Sorry, digital eye strain, like I said, the CVS disease, blue light exposure, and of course, physical demands on our eyes. So remember to follow that rule, 20-20-20 rule, and you might avoid getting worse your eyes in the future. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to ask us any questions, and we'll see you in our next video. Take care. See you.